Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the controversy which has recently emerged in the state of Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh regarding the Kanwad Yatra. So, what has been the Supreme Court's involvement or an interim order from the Supreme Court with regard to it? So let us first understand the timeline. First we'll be looking at the news, then what is the matter all about, the petitions that has been filed with regard to the eateries on the road of or on the path of Kanwad Yatra, and what the mention of the articles with regard to it, then what is Kanwad Yatra and prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 1, that is art and culture, and also paper 2 with regard to the Supreme Court order. And before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So the news talks about Supreme Court stays Kanwadiya's route diktat, no need to display owners' names, show menu upfront. So recently what has happened is that an interim Supreme Court order has come out, interim Supreme Court order, and it talks about prohibiting enforcement of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand directives to eateries along the route of the Kanwad Yatra. Now what has happened is that in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, what was said was that the path which is followed by the Kanwadis to reach the main destination, along that path whatever eateries comes in between, that eateries needs to show the name of the employee or the name of the owner, the food menu and different other things also. And with regard to it, the Supreme Court has also given an interim order, and Supreme Court has prohibited. So whatever was asked, Supreme Court has prohibited it. So what was asked was that the authorities in the state of Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, they issued directive. So in the state of Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, directives were issued to the eateries and food stalls to display the names of their owners, which led to an uproar. So the name of the owner, whoever owned the eateries or the food joint, the name of the owner needs to be mentioned. So what happened is, with regard to this, that the name of the owner needs to be mentioned, and an uproar emerged with regard to it. So in now an interim order from Supreme Court side has been issued, and Supreme Court has prohibited these directives in the state of Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, and Supreme Court has prohibited and has said that the display of the names of the owners need not be done. But what was required was that the kind of food the food joints are giving or offering, that the kind of food needs to be mentioned, like for example whether the food eatery is veg or non-veg, or whether the food eatery is issuing both type of food or is serving both type of food, that needs to be given, but the name of the owner need not be mentioned. Now in very brief, what is a Kanwad Yatra? So Kanwad Yatra is an annual event, it happens once a year. So what happens is that a person or a Kanwad takes from one side the Ganga Jal from any of the pious places, and then they reach to a Shivling. So they reach to a Shivling to offer the Ganga Jal to the Shivling. Now this is what happens. Now this route from where they take the Ganga Jal and they go to offer it to the Shivling, that route and whatever the eateries along that routes are lying, they need to, from the Supreme Court order, they need to show that what kind of food they are offering, while earlier the authorities were asking them to also mention the name of the owner of the food eatery. Now Kanwad Yatra is an annual event, and it is a journey of devotion, faith and penance, and it offers the Ganga Jal, that is Ganga water, to Lord Shiva, and the Kanwad Yatra majorly begins on the first day of the Hindu month, and that the name of the month is Sawan month, and this month usually lies in July or August. Now, with regard to the directives which was issued by the authorities of the Uttar Pradesh and the Uttarakhand, with regard to it, an uproar was there and the many petitions were also filed. So what was mentioned in the petition was that there was few articles of the Indian Constitution were mentioned, and it was saying that asking any owner to display the name of the owner of a food joint is a breach of Article 15, Article 19 and Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. As Article 15 talks about that prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. And if the name of the owner of the food eatery or the food joint will be displayed, then this will be discrimination on the grounds of religion and caste. This is with regard to Article 15. Next comes Article 19. So the Article 19 talks about that Article 19 provides right to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business to all citizens. And the petition says that Article 19 is breached with regard to practice any profession and occupation, as it is the right of any person that they can practice the profession or the occupation of their own choice. Then comes Article 21, and with regard to Article 21, it talks about that right to food. Right to food is inherent to a life with dignity and it is guaranteed under the fundamental right to life and personal liberty. So right to food is also a fundamental right, and if the name of the owner of the food joint or eatery would be displayed, then it will also breach right to food. Now these are the articles, or these are the mentioned articles in the petitions that has been filed. So this was all about the matter that has happened. So you need to know what happened, the directives of UP and Uttarakhand, then the Supreme Court order which prohibited it not to show the name of the owner. Then what is important is Article 15, Article 19 and Article 21. And now in the end of prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. The right to food comes under which article? That is Article 15, 19, 20 or 21. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.